Kiteng joy candidate ki bayo he marks haki subject bapher jong class 12 arts hilong hangnel ai ba kiteng subjects what ki marks dia sinha ki english yo khandai phulai Asia ba biang arlang khoi ka alternative english yo khandai phui na po Anderson high school opar new nongston niharika rabha asmis 88 in Bengali get 95 Amrita Sengupta, Tangsal Dishira Garo H2, Rajvir Singh in Hindi 75, there are 2 in 75, Suhani Basumatri also 75 in Hindi, in Khasi 96, Bandar Isham Mauri, in Mizo 81, Nepali 97, Agriculture 81, Ibajana in Onklau, Anthropology 83, highest mark, Suheli Tripura, Asmi 67, Nikita Coach in Beauty and Wellness 84, Computer Science 89, Edwin S. Marvaniang from a private candidate. Economics 96, very good. Don Bosco College High School section Tura, very good. Tura is very good school, Don Bosco. In Education 93, E. Bakmenlam Grenja, Good Shepherd High School Jongsha, okay. In Education 93, Afilia Lingdo, North Liberty High School, Mukardup Joai. Okay, good. In Electronic and Hardware, there are 2, 84, Gracie CH Marak and Will Bilita CH Marak, 84 marks. In English, electives, Steffi Lisa Milim Umlong, 66 mark, Ladikin College, very less in English. In Geneva, D. Sangma in Garo, 85 marks. Ramyang Nilap Chakravarti in Geography, 95 marks, very good in Geography. Iban Kamen Hujon, Healthcare, 76 from Sipsing Government High School Nongston. There are 2, 74, sorry. Barshas M, also from Sipsing School Nongston. Rajvir Singh in Hindi, 66. Finora Wankar in History, 91, very good. Lisa Feni Marbo in Homesean, 93, very good. Hadasa Mebaker Lingdo Informatic Practice 97 marks yan, very good. One Borlang Lingdo Nongbri Information Technology 95 marks, also very good. Kitrim Shata. Angela's Khong Binan Khasi elective 82 marks. Brian Kaspar Lingdo Mathematics 88, okay, very good. So Trimshara yo pra mon marbai ki asru ki don mo ki bayo ban shime kamats takadal don ni Mathematics got 88 marks, and Mizo 66 marks, elective, music, okay, Giladon music romta, Wansara, Maya Ping group, you 72, very good. Bijoy Pokrel in Nepali, elective is 88, Ankita Bose, philosophy 95, Samewan Mario Susi in physical education 96, okay, Shillong College High School. And Sanibha Shooting, Physical Education 96, Dayar Miki BM, Political Science 89, wow, Jessica Chanda, Psychology 89, Mer Maoyong, Sociology 99, wow, 99, private candidate is also. Tibarius Thaba, Statistic 59, very less. Fernando Cornelius Khan, Tourism and Hospitality 97, Jason or Tniel Elwa Lang, Goron Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, Bro Art League, Tourism and Hospitality. That's all, and thank you.